embark on a trip into the world of sound, an intangible world deep inside your radio. There you'll find a lonely, hard-working guy with nothing but a microphone for a friend. This is the world of the DJ. It's nothing you can see, you can only feel it.
Good morning and evening, friends. This is your friendly announcer, Mr. DJ, and you are on the one. We just heard the latest from the new edition, Crazy for You by Madonna, and the never-ending saga of Roxanne, U2FO's Roxanne. We heard Roxanne's Revenge, Roxanne's a Man, the real Roxanne, Roxanne's Granny, and Roxanne meets Godzilla. And here's an exclusive from WONE. Roxanne meets Mr. DJ coming to a record store near you soon. We got your rap, your jazz, your rhythm and soul. We've even got your rock and roll. Reach out and touch a star. Request lines open at 123 WONE. I'm Mr. DJ. And guess what, baby? Yeah, you are on the one. WONE request line, radio for the world. You're on the air. What's your name and where you calling from?
Yo, Mr. DJ, this is Ronnie from Lakewood, man. What's happening?
Hey, dude, how you hanging?
Hey, I'm hanging pretty tough, man. I was just wondering if I could hear a little bit of that Frank Sinatra with that Quincy
Jones.
Quincy Jones, yeah, that's it. You know, a little LA, she's my lady, and maybe a little New York, huh?
Hey, thanks, dude. Love you, babe. WONE request line, radio for the world. You're on the air. What's your name? Where you calling from?
This is Dunga, man, from Queens.
Dunga, what's happening?
Man, you happening?
Hey, you're live, man. What's going on?
The Black Man, the song, I haven't heard it.
Which one?
The Black Man song.
We just played 10.
The one with the socks, man.
Black socks.
No, the socks.
Sounds like a baseball team from Harlem, dude. Hang on, we'll get it on. WONE request line, radio for the world. Hi, you're on the air. What's your name? Where you calling from? Yes, who's this?
Floyd
From Hollywood. How's it going, Floyd? You all right, babe?
I feel fine.
What you want to hear?
I was wondering if you could play We're on the World.
Hey, good request, man. We got it for you. WONE request line. Hi, you're on the air. What's your name? Where you calling from?
Hi, this is Liz.
Hey, Liz. How you doing?
Good. I just wanted to tell you I love your voice.
Hey, I love it too, babe.
I'm sitting here all by myself, and I don't have anything else on except for you.
Oh, hey. Yes, what's going on, Liz? What can I do for you?
I just wondered if you could, call me sometime.
Oh, okay, no problem. What's your number, babe?
Bye.
Bye. Liz, your number. WONE, Mr. DJ, with your request coming up. We've got We Are the World, Houdini's 5 Minutes of Fun, Pop Life from the Purple Man, and by special request, Robert White's Hold Me Tight. WONE weather for the world looks like this. Tokyo, cloudy skies with a high of 75. Foggy and cool in London with a balmy 56. Rio, it's hot on the beach, 102 and rising. 65 and clear in Frankfurt, the Big Apple's 92. Purple rain in the forecast out of Minnesota. We're talking 40 days and 40 nights here, gang, so don't leave home without it. And not your American Express card either. Bangkok, it's always live at 95. LA, Sherman Oaks and Reseda area, 85 and clear and totally tubular. And right now, WONE radio for the world is hot and rising. This is Mr. DJ, and you're on the one. Okay, gang, it's checkout time for yours truly. It's been fun, but I gotta run, boy. I love you all, but I gotta go. My rolls is double parked downstairs, suits and the cleaners, and I gotta get my diamonds clean. It's the weekend, and we're going out for some action, you know what I mean? This is Mr. DJ. Coming up next, you'll be in great hands. Miss DJ, I trained her myself, so you know she's all the way live. Hey, Liz, I'm coming, baby.